My name is Rakesh Godhwani. In 2011, I wrote a book called Plunge, and now I'm doing a workshop based on this book on 10th May, 4 p.m. at Mybo tree in Kormangla 5th block. This workshop is for those who wake up every morning thinking that they'd rather do something else than what they are currently doing, but for some reason or the other can't. Every day, deep inside, they feel unfulfilled and have a burning desire to follow their passion. Every day, they read about others who have taken the plunge to follow their dreams and wish that they too could do the same. In this workshop, I will talk about how one figures out their passions, manages the unknowns that lie ahead, deal with societal pressures, failures, self-doubt, and how can one take a plunge and fulfill their dreams. So if you're interested, contact Nasir at the number below. See you on 10th evening.